If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Overwatch 2 are configured correctly. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to the Audio section, and verify that the output device is set to the correct speakers or headphones. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio options. Sometimes, enabling or disabling certain audio options can help. Try toggling the voice chat and sound effects settings in the audio menu to see if it resolves the desync. Step 4. Check for game updates. Make sure that Overwatch 2 is fully updated. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including audio issues. Check for updates through your game launcher. Step 5. Restart your system. If the problem persists, restarting your computer can clear temporary glitches that may be causing audio desync. After restarting, launch Overwatch 2 again and check if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to address the audio desync issue in Overwatch 2. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.